Hey y'all, it's Rob Money's Car Stereo. I be everywhere but nowhere at the same damn time. How you doing, young man? Woo! This him, Steve?
Yep, that's him.
Who sprayed him?
Shit, that nigga Gus over there off the Broadway.
Okay. Looking kind of smooth. Reasonable price? How you doing, man?
Good, yeah.
Okay. You already test rode him, got him together now?
Yep, test rode him.
All right, Ron gonna be good now.
Yep.
You turned up. Oh, that was that when we were talking about the music thing.
Yep.
This was this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I told you I had that little hump, but I
Yeah.
changed it, put it on the other side.
Yeah, because what happened with me previously. Why, did he put you on the knob?
He put me on the knob.
He put on the knob?
He put the knob is up in there, bro.
Okay, it's up in there, y'all. For y'all who don't know about the knob, we can't show you the knob, 'cause that's a whole different level of things, you know what I'm saying? But, I came down here to LA, support my peoples, and my other new peoples, we was taking, he said, "Did that Big Money Rob we first met?" He said, "Oh, that's you, man. I know who you is." I said, "Yeah, I fucks with it a little bit, As y'all see, I'm here, I'm there, I'm everywhere. My man Juan, he finna be fresh out. My man Steve Shop, man, we was over here, we was learning how to strap together over here, man. He got a little piece of ramp, but we got it going. Gonna get it to the house. Juan, you learned something today, man?
Yeah, I learned a lot. Rob showed me how to tighten the bike down.
Well, Steve was telling you a little bit of it. Yeah, telling y'all, solid as a rock. We up on there.
Going nowhere.
We're gonna get him home. Telling you, I'm looking at your paint, man, and you glistening, man.
Man,
Making me.
Steve.
Do I need to come out of town to get some of this work done?
You got to deal with Steve.
Okay, Steve, you got the plug?
Sir.
Okay. Man, he's shining. Man, Steve, man, on this detail, man, how can people get to you over here, man? Tell me something.
You gotta hit me.
What's the name of the company, man? Hit me.
Mobile Detail.
Motor Mobile Detail. Where you out of, man?
I'm out of Watts.
Watts.
Out of Watts.
Hey, if y'all down here in the South Central area, Los Angeles, greater metropolitan space, man, y'all need to holler at my man Steve Watts, man.
Mobile Detail.
What's that number, man, again?
Mobile Detail. My number is 424-393-8389. Hit me.
Y'all heard that. Y'all see what I'm seeing? It's dark and he's shining. Look at this, y'all.
He do music too, y'all.
Music installed, and he get your shine on. Maybe even build your bike for you. He got multiple talents, my man. I'm telling you, y'all. I'm supporting. Money's Car Stereo. We out of here. Y'all, go. Hey, man. I'm pulling up with my man Steve, man. He over there shining, making some things happen. Steve, what it do, man?
What's up with Rob?
Oh, nothing much, man. I'm just popping in, seeing what I can see, doing what I can do. And what you working on today, baby?
A little bit of everything, just shining mine up.
Oh, man. Oh, wait, you got some new additions up in here.
Yeah, you know that.
Okay.
Say with the up and grade stuff.
Hey, man, I got a question for you, man. Since you be detailing, I see you got that chrome frame game, man. How hard is it to keep that going, man?
Man, for me it's easy, I just break it down, take the parts apart, and get it done.
Yeah, I see. So when y'all be looking at bikes, y'all be looking at them covers, man. Then you start staring at a situation like this. You can be like, man, Karaoke don't make one that go up this high. Then if you step back too far, you're gonna say something. Wait, Karaoke don't go. You gonna say, nigga, you got a chrome frame. Man, that's how they get at you when they see you, man. And he's shining bright. And man, what? This is gray, right?
Yes, sir.
What kind of gray we talking?
What is called Hilliard gray.
Oh yeah, cause I've been seeing these grays, man. The gray is a new black and a new chrome. You mix them both together. So I'm just saying, man. I'm just here to praise you, let you know I see you. Money's Car Stereo. We here, we there, we a little bit everywhere. You see on the shirt, I'm camouflaged today. I'm just blending into my surroundings. You know what I'm saying? So that's how I'm getting down. We out, man. Hey, Steve, man. If you doing the detail, right?
Yes, sir.
So how can they reach you in the Los Angeles area, man? You got a number to throw out or something?
Just hit me the day before. I book in advance. You can hit me at 424-393-8389.
Okay.
Mobile Detail.
And he putting music in too, y'all.
Yes,
You know what I'm saying? And I'm seeing what I'm seeing. I'm liking what I'm liking. I'm just telling you, man, holler at your boy, because he can get you in.
Yeah, jack of all trades.
That's right. Jack of all trades, master of none, but master. I fucked that up, y'all. Let me say it again. Jack of all trades, master of none. The thing he masters is called having fun and detailing bikes and putting some music in. We got to go. A man just put me on to something, man. Man, where you originally from, man? You were saying.
I'm originally from here, Inglewood, California.
Yeah.
But I lived in Cedar Rapids, Iowa.
Wait. You Cedar Rapids, Iowa. Are there people of color there?
Yeah, they got people. A lot of people in Chicago.
Oh, Chicago. Okay, so like a suburb to them. They get out here.
Right.
You know, you may have been dangerous over here, but we went over there and calmed it down a notch. You know. So you were saying they heard of me out there?
Yeah. You big out there with the
Oh,
music.
okay. Well, I got some stuff. I got some stuff that's coming through that town. I just did 2 bikes from Chicago, so you know we might see some Money Car Stereo T-shirts flying. Yeah, so you might see some of my work coming through y'all city, man. Nice to meet you, man.
When you was building that truck.
When
you was building that truck.
Oh, you was watching what?
Yeah, when you was building that truck. I didn't know it was that truck until he said, "I was my boy, Rob." And
Okay.
I was like, damn, dude,
Yeah.
East Palo Alto.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm a little bit of here, a little bit everywhere, you know. Like I first met Steve, we conversated. I said, man, I'm just gonna pop up on you one day. He said, well, pop on up, Rob. Hit me with the address and bam, I'm here. We changed trading war stories and different advices and stuff, you know.
Look, I've been knowing little Steve before he knew himself. I know his daddy.
Oh, okay.
I know his daddy, yeah.
Okay.
Before he knew himself.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Okay, for sure. Well, man, thank you for letting me know about that. People out there watching, man.
You a giant, man.
Okay.
Where the charger at? The red charger.
The wife's in that right now.
Understand me?
Yeah. You've been watching if you know what I'm riding in. Yeah. Okay, I can't even sneak up on y'all now. People know what's going on.
You still got your bike because you don't never really show your bike that much.
I've been busy.
White bike. Your white
I've been busy.
Glide, I think.
Yeah, I got a white glide. Yeah. So yeah, I've been busy pushing other people out the door. And so you know that's what I've been doing.
First and foremost.
Oh yeah, because without them there'll be no me. So that's what I'm trying to make it happen.
I could barely ever touch my bike. As soon as somebody see me, they fly by. Oh, you riding on his bike? Let me stop. Yeah. I gotta stop him from doing something.
He's shining too hot. Let me dull you up some.
Let me do something to stop his day.
Hey y'all, my man just asked me a question. He said, Rob, I've been watching your videos. He threw up a good point that I said, which I did say, I don't like bag lids. But I'm gonna take that statement back. I'm gonna re-clarify that. I'm gonna recant that statement and say, yes, I've adapted to bag lids. And the reason I'll use a bag lid is if it's a highway setup, and we'll use them lids to play the bass. Play the vocal, and we'll tone it down a little bit.
You got the shit, man.
You-
He got everything you got.
You have the surround sound.
Switch gears, bro.
Now, if we're using it for our vocal, when we got something else in the bag, as you see, my man Steve got something down there in the bag, and we use this
His mama's my sister.
as the
I know,
highs.
he was telling me that.
So, yes, I do support bag lids because they have a lot of ways that we can make it happen. So, bag lids are a go. We just got to figure out how we're going to use them. We out of here.